Hi, I am Nived Verma here, and I would like to present to you a video and a step-by-step guide how to create a developer environment when you are working with Microsoft Azure. In this video, I would like to show you that how can we actually create a virtual machine which will have all the necessary software available within itself so that we can develop applications, we can experiment with Microsoft Azure, and we will be able to comfortably work with our Azure learning paths, as well as doing labs and practicing different types of exercises on Microsoft Azure. The reason why we need to have this kind of a virtual machine is purely because our local desktops or our personal desktops or company desktops and laptops have certain security restrictions. Many of you may be using your company laptops to get connected with Microsoft Azure, and these company laptops do not give you the full administrative authority to install and configure various software and download some packages from internet. As a result of that, one of the challenges that most of the participants face is that they are unable to practice the labs completely because of the limitations and restrictions that are there on their laptops and desktops which they are using. However, one of the important things that I would like to share here is that every single laptop or desktop that you're going to use to practice on Microsoft Azure must allow you to have a RDP connection using the public IP address assigned to the virtual machines by Microsoft Azure. Now, this will enable you to take the remote desktop connection to your virtual machine, and you will be able to perform the tasks without any limitations and restrictions, install software, and download contents that are required or supplementary files that are required by your lab. Second advantage of using this kind of virtual machine is that when you log into the Microsoft Azure created virtual machine, your virtual machine is running in one of the Microsoft's data center. And when you want to install and run something, you are basically going to use the Microsoft's internet backbone to download things and install things. And that will be lightning. And let me tell you, you will experience tremendous advantage of this speed when you are performing your labs. So let's get started, and we are going to create a virtual machine and install the necessary software for that we can use while doing these labs. Now, this installation is generic for even developers who are coming from any background, but this is going to be a Windows virtual machine that we'll be installing, and you will be using this virtual machine to complete your labs. So irrespective whether you are attending a course on infrastructure, data science, or if you are using it for, you are attending a course for AI, or you are practicing any of the courses for certification exam, or maybe you are trying to create some proof of concept for your own organization, these kind of virtual machines can help you a lot, and they will be completely equipped with the necessary software that you need so that it is possible for you to perform these labs and create the POCs very comfortably. So all the best. Observe this video and you should be able to see what is happening over there. And if you like my video, please click on like and subscribe to my channel.